Hello everyone, in today's video we will talk about how to be a maritime lawyer. So in this video we will discuss introduction, meaning, nature, scope, how to become maritime lawyer, responsibilities of maritime lawyer, advantages of being maritime lawyer, challenges that faces by a maritime lawyer, and then we will conclude this video. Introduction. A maritime lawyer is often referred to an admiralty lawyer is a legal professional who specializes in the complex and dynamic fields of a maritime law. This branch of law encompasses a broad spectrum of issues related to navigation, shipping, and trade on the seas. Maritime lawyers play a crucial role in resolving legal disputes and addressing regularities matters that arise within the maritime industry. These legal experts navigate through cases involving shipping contracts, marine insurance claims, collusion, slavage operations, and environmental regulations that affects maritime activities. Their expertise extend to both domestic and international waters, dealing with the intricacies of law that govern activities on the high seas. As a guardian of a maritime legalities, these professionals work to ensure compliance with the international treaties and conventions while representing the interest of ship owners, shipping companies, insurers, and other stakeholders in maritime sector. The role of a maritime lawyer is not only demanding but also vital in maintaining the legal orders on the vast and often challenging waters of the world. So basically who is a maritime lawyer? The person who studies maritime law, who is specialized in maritime law, who has done masters PhD in maritime law. That person can be called as a maritime lawyer who works on the issues relating to the seas, shipping, trade on the seas, navigation, or he plays the very crucial role in resolving the legal disputes that arise within the maritime industries. So let's see what is the meaning. A maritime lawyer, also known as a admiralty lawyer, is a legal professional with expertise in a maritime law. Their focus lies in addressing legal issues and disputes arising from activities of the seas, covering a wide range of maritime experts such as shipping, navigation, trade, and environmental regulations. Uh, all these things we have discussed earlier in the last slide. So let's move on the next slide, that is nature of maritime lawyer. The nature of a maritime lawyer work is diverse and often complex. They deal with the cases that span international waters, requiring understanding of both domestic and international maritime laws. Their responsibility may include handling disputes over shipping contracts, collusion, salvage operations, marine insurance claims, and compliance with the environmental regulations. The dynamic nature of maritime law demands adaptability to challenging international conventions and industry practices. Scope of maritime lawyers. Firstly, legal representation. Maritime lawyers provide legal representation to the clients involved in the shipping, navigation, and maritime trade, addressing disputes and ensuring compliance with the international laws. Secondly, shipping industry. Maritime lawyers work with shipping companies on matters such as charter parties, cargo claims, and vessel collisions, contributing to the smooth operation of the shipping industry. Next, marine insurance. Specialize in marine insurance, handling claims related to the vessel damage, cargo loss, and other maritime insurance matters. Next, environment compliances. Navigate environmental regulations and contribute to the sustainable maritime practices by advising on compliances with the environment laws and regulations. Next, ports and terminals. Maritime lawyers address legal issues related to the ports, port operations, terminal management, and logistics insurance ensuring legal compliances in these key components of the maritime supply chain. Next, ship finance. Maritime lawyers engage in ship finance, assisting clients in securing finance for vessel purchase, navigating financial transactions, and addressing legal complexities in maritime financing. Next, advisory services. Maritime lawyers provide legal advice to clients on a range of maritime issues, including vessel registration, international trade, and regulatory compliances. Then, international arbitration. Maritime lawyers help in participating in international arbitration proceedings to resolve disputes between the two international companies, between two countries, by their laws and conventions. Next, government and regulatory bodies work with the government agencies and regulatory bodies to shape the interpret maritime laws, contributing to the development and enforcement of legal framework. Research and academia. Maritime lawyers engage in research and academia to contribute to the understanding the development of a maritime lawyer, sharing expertise through publications, lectures, and educational initiatives. Then, global opportunities. Maritime lawyers enjoy global career opportunities given the international nature of maritime activities and need for legal expertise in various jurisdictions. Then, technology integration. Okay, so maritime lawyers embrace opportunities arising from technological advancements in the maritime industries, such as autonomous vessels and digitalization, by adapting legal frameworks accordingly. Then last we have corporate legal departments. Maritime lawyers work within the legal departments of maritime companies or corporations, addressing a wide range of legal issues within the organization. So I hope this is clear to all. Then the biggest question arises: how to become a maritime lawyer? First of all, educational foundation. A person have to obtain a bachelor's degree in law, then then pursue a LLM master's degree in maritime law and do specialization in maritime law. Then gain practical experience, seek internship or clerkship with the law firm specializing in maritime law to gain hand-on experience. Then work closely with the experienced maritime lawyers to understand the practical aspects of the field. Then third point is specialization. Focus on maritime law courses during your law school education to build a strong foundation in the specialized area. Consider additional certification or courses in areas such as shipping regulations, marine insurance, or environment law within the maritime context. Then stay informed, stay updated or involving maritime laws and industry trends by subscribing to legal journals, attending seminars, and participating in relevant webinars. Then develop a thorough understanding of both domestic and international maritime regulations. Read all the conventions given related to the maritime law. That will be very helpful for you, those who are thinking to become a maritime lawyer. Then networking. Build a professional network within the maritime sector by attending industry events, webinars, joining maritime law associations, and connecting with the professional in the field. Then apply for entry level positions in law firms specializing in maritime law or related areas. Seek opportunities to work on maritime law cases and gain practical experience in the field. Continuous learning. Embrace a mindset of continuous learning to stay current with the changes in maritime laws, regulations, and industry practices. Then build a reputation. Establish a reputation in the maritime law community by delivering quality work, building relationships, and showcasing your expertise. Then set your career goals. Define your career goals within the maritime law, whether it is representing shipping companies focusing on marine insurance claims or specializing in environmental regulations. Then, what are the responsibilities of a maritime lawyer? Firstly, legal representation. Maritime lawyers represent clients, including ship owners, shipping companies, insurers, and other stakeholders involved in maritime activities. The advocates for their clients interested in legal proceedings. Then, contractual matters. Maritime lawyer draft, review, and negotiate contracts related to shipping, charter parties, and other maritime agreements fall within the scope of a maritime lawyer's responsibilities. Then, dispute resolution. Maritime lawyers play a key role in resolving disputes, whether through negotiation, arbitration, or litigation. These can include issues arising from the collisions, cargo damage, or breach of maritime contracts. Then, compliance and regulations. Ensuring compliance with the international maritime regulations and conventions is essential. Maritime lawyers advise clients on how to navigate legal frameworks and maintain adherence to environmental standards. Then, insurance claim. Handling marine insurance claim is a common responsibility. Maritime lawyers assist clients in navigating the complexities of insurance coverage for vessels and cargo. Then lastly, we have advisory role. Maritime lawyers provide a legal advice on a range of issues including risk management, vessel registration, and regularity changes is a part of advisory role of a maritime lawyer. Now we will discuss what are the advantages of being a maritime lawyer. First of, first of all, specialized expertise. Gain in-depth knowledge of area of law, positioning yourself as an expert in the maritime and admiralty matters. Then diverse career opportunity. Maritime lawyer has a wide range of career opportunities, including representing shipping companies, handling marine insurance claims, and addressing environmental regulations. Then international exposures. Maritime lawyer worker on cases with an international scope dealing with the matters that span across different jurisdictions and countries. Then high stake cases. Maritime lawyers engage in high stake legal cases involving shipping disputes, collusions, slave wage operations, and other complex maritime issues. Then challenging work environment. Thrive in a dynamic and challenging work environment, addressing legal intricacies unique to the maritime industry, networking opportunities. Build a strong professional network within the maritime sector, connecting with the industry professionals, clients, and experts. Then global impact. Contribute to shaping, interpreting international maritime law, influencing the regulations that have a global impact. Varied practice areas. Maritime lawyers explore diverse practice areas within the maritime law, such as ship finance, marine insurance, maritime labor law, and environment compliances. Then, continuous learning. Maritime lawyers stay intellectually stimulated with the continuous learning as the maritime law evolves to address new challenges and international developments. Then, what are the challenges as a maritime lawyer faces? First, first of all, complexity of international laws. Navigating through the complex web of international maritime laws and regulation possesses a constant challenge requiring a deep understanding of various legal frameworks. Then, high stake cases. Dealing with high stake cases such as shipping disputes or salvage operations add pressure, demanding a meticulous approach and effective decision making. Then, global nature of cases. Cases often involve international jurisdiction, leading to challenges in coordinating legal proceedings and understanding the diverse legal systems. Fourth, dynamic industry changes. The maritime industry undergoes a constant change, including technological advancement and involving environmental regulations, requiring lawyers to stay updated to provide effective legal counsel. Fifth, environmental concerns. Maritime lawyer addressing environmental issues such as oil spills or pollution can be challenging due to the increased focus on sustainable and eco-friendly maritime practices. Then they can face challenges in negotiating complex contracts. Negotiating and drafting intricate maritime contracts demands a keen eye for detail and a thorough understanding of industry specific terms and conditions. Then seventh point we have adaptability to industry trends. Staying adaptable to emerging trends in the maritime sector includes automation and digitalization is crucial to providing relevant legal advices. Then eighth point we have international arbitration. Maritime lawyers faces challenges engaging in international arbitration proceedings can be challenging due to the diverse range of parties involved and differences in legal traditions. Then risk management. Developing effective risk management strategies for clients requires anticipating potential issues and providing proactive legal solutions. 10th point we have work life balance. Maritime lawyers basically, especially during emergencies, can sometimes disrupt work life balance, requiring flexibility and dedication. Then enforcement challenges. Ensuring the enforcement of legal decisions, especially across different jurisdictions, may pose hurdles due to the varying legal system and enforcement mechanism. Last, we have political and geopolitical influences. Navigating political and geopolitical influences in cases involving international waters adds an extra layer of complexity and uncertainty. Now let's conclude our video. Embarking on a career as a maritime lawyer opens doors to a unique and dynamic legal landscapes. The specialized expertise gained in this field provide a pathway to diverse opportunity, from representing shipping giants to navigating complexes international regulations. The advantage extend beyond financial rewards, encompassing the fulfillment of contributing to global maritime practices, high-stake cases, and continuous intellectual growth. As you chart your course in maritime law, you will find yourself in a helm of a profession that not only navigates the legal intricacies of the seas but also plays a crucial role in shaping the future of international maritime affairs. I hope this video helps you. Thank you.